Tower, Piedmont 5969, ILS of Victor 17.
Piedmont 5969, Philly Tower, runway 17, clear to land.
17, clear to land, Piedmont 5969.
SF5 ident. SF5, I didn't see ident. Are you squawking the company?
Yes, SF5, A-Farm, just clear the trees right now. Continuing north to 95.
Okay, just F5, I got your radar contact 2 to the west. Traffic about a mile to your west eastbound, and Airbus setting at 8.
Yes, F5, sir.
American 2165, helicopter traffic, listen above 400 feet, passing off the left now, they're northbound, or northeastbound.
Alright, we're looking now, American 2165.
Frontier 4462, Philly Tower, runway 9 left, line of traffic lands, runway 17.
Line of 9 left, Frontier flight 4462.
Just F5, you're clear through the Philly Class Bravo. Traffic's on a 2-mile final for runway 17 and Embraer.
That's just F5, we push the traffic, we'll see north of 95 till we get to the pier. Just F5 has traffic in sight off 12 o'clock, left or right.
Just F5, roger, just pass line that traffic, thanks.
Yes, F5, okay. Hey, that helicopter, we're converging pretty close. For Piedmont 5969.
Piedmont 5969, I'm sorry, say again?
That helicopter's coming right at us here.
They have you in sight, they're going to pass behind you.
Doesn't look like it's 5969.
It says he'll pass a mile and 3/4 behind you.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going around from Piedmont 5969.
Alright, Piedmont 5969, roger, go around, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Runway heading up to 3000, Piedmont 5969.
Tower, Frontier 1165, 9 right.
Frontier 1165, Philly Tower, runway 9 right, clear to land.
Clear line 9 right, Frontier 1165.
American 2165, left at the high speed, Sierra November, hold short of 9 left.
Left at high speed, Sierra, hold November, hold short of 9 left, American 2165.
Piedmont 5969, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Runway heading up to 3000, Piedmont 5969.
Piedmont 5969, contact approach 124.35.
2435, 5969.
Jeff, step 5, you can proceed on course. Frontier 4462, heading 125, runway 9 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 125, clear for takeoff, 9 left, Frontier flight 4462.
American 2165, hold short of 9 left at November.
Hold short 9 left November, American 2165. Departure Piedmont 5969 on the go, 2.6 3000 runway heading.
Piedmont 5969, Philadelphia departure radar contact, and you can expect ILS Victor runway 9, alright?
969.
Jeff, step 5, landing at your own risk, radar service terminated, for exchange proof.
Yes, step 5, thanks.
Piedmont 5969, what was the reason?
That helicopter was looking pretty close to us, Piedmont 5969.
Okay, Piedmont 5969, turn right, heading 260, vector to final.
Right, 260, vector 5, Piedmont 5969.